Hello! In this video, you will learn how to create what Aware calls a charting interactive response question. That just means your students will be making a bar graph. So if we click on it, looks pretty much the same on our question today. We are going to do Primary Standard 5th grade 5.9a, representing categorical data with bar graphs. Our question, I'm going to copy and paste from another window because I don't want to type it while you wait for me to finish typing. So, this one talks about colors of pens that a student, namely Haley, counts in her classroom. There's not a placeholder that we can put because, again, the students will be creating a bar graph from this question. So I'm going to go ahead and click Continue. The next page is where we create the actual bar graph that the students will be clicking on. So the title of the chart is Pen Colors. Oops, forgot the O. The x-axis title will be Colors, because we're counting pen colors, different colors. So then I'm going to label my bar graph. So my first one is going to be the color of the black pens. The second one will be blue, and the last one will be purple. And my y-axis is going to be number of pens. And then we're going to do our scale. Since the highest number we have is 14, I'm going to put 20, not 12, 20. And the amount that they can click on will be 2, because all of our numbers are even. So then, once we have finished labeling our graph, we're going to actually click the answers. So it tells them in the problem that there's 14 black, there are 8 blue, and 4 purple. So we want to check and make sure that everything is the way we want it. Oh, and for the scoring method on these kinds of questions, correct, incorrect means they would have to, of course, get everything correct to get it correct. Point per task would mean each bar that they click on is 1 point, so this would be a total of 3. And then partial credit would mean if they get 2 right and 1 wrong, they would get 1 point, and if they get all 3 correct, they would get 2 points. I'm going to do point per task. Then I'm going to scroll down and press Create. We have officially created it! Yay! But we always want to go back and check and see what our students will see. So we're going to click on Online, Preview Online Testing, and this is what our students will see when they take the test. Congratulations! You have officially created your first charting question. Thanks for watching!